How to make your Android phone aesthetic. Here's a super cute Samsung phone home screen setup idea. I'll be decorating it to a butterfly aesthetic. With the help of these apps, open the Icon Changer app. You will see many icon themes here. You can also use it for free. I used a cosmic heart river theme and am dyeing my own icons. Here's how. Next, open the Magic Widgets app. Let's use the interaction widget. Love how this widget lets you connect with your long-distance besties. This GIF widget is perfect if you want a cool and animated look for your widgets. Just watch how I customized it. Last, this clock widget template is my fave because it's so cute. Adding it to my home screen as well. Comment what aesthetic should I do next, besties?